Hey everybody, welcome back. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. The second video I'm doing today, got an unboxing for you. As you can tell by the title, I've got a cordless, a budget-friendly cordless polisher here from SPTA. Now, I'll put a card here. You may have seen my video, their mini cordless polisher, which is it's a decent budget unit. Budget unit. Keep in mind, you know, these guys aren't competing with Flex, Rupees, companies like that. So I see people compare their things to them a lot. They're not competing with them for that. They're just making budget-friendly products for people that may not use it a lot or people that are just getting started, you know, not looking to spend $400 on a polisher. So this one right now goes for $235 on Amazon. And then they have like a $50 off coupon you can click, so it brings it down to about $185, and honestly, you get so much with this. Like, it's insane. So let's go ahead and get started by taking this stuff out. Now, I did open it already. I took the batteries out so I could charge them. So I'll include those, don't worry. So first things we take out of the box is we got a set of 6-inch polishing pads, various grades of, you know, cutting, polishing, finishing pad, plus these two wool pads. Or one wool pad, excuse me. Now this wool pad doesn't have a foam interface on the back of it, so I don't know how good it would be for a dual action polisher, but you know, I don't even know if they'll get used. I'm gonna set it off to the side. Then they give you these two. They give you a heavy cutting compound, a rubbing compound, and a polish. Sample sizes. You know, this company's not necessarily known for their compounds, but again, you know, for somebody who's just doing small jobs, they're giving you everything right out of the box. So I'll set this over here. What else have I got in here? Got the polisher, obviously. Now, they gave me a couple of bags, so I don't actually know what's in here. So here's the first one. I'm going to open it up. I don't know if it's like a t-shirt or an apron or what. I think it may be an apron. Yeah, okay. It is it's an apron. Here's the little neck loop. Some sort of polyester. It's got a pocket on the front of it to hold whatever you need to hold. Ties around you. So if you're one of those people that, you know, you want to keep your clothes clean, or you don't want your clothes rubbing up against the car that you're polishing, you got an apron there. And then this, I think this is a carrying bag, or a travel bag or something, put the polisher in, which is nice. Always nice to have something like this. I think Max Shine gave me one of their polishers as well. So we get a pretty nice little bag here. Go ahead and open it up. It's all folded up right now since it's been packed for so long. Alright, so inside here, I know the lighting's not the greatest, I'm sorry. You got some pockets. You got the strap, the shoulder strap you can buckle onto the outside. There's pockets all around the inside of this to put pads, compounds, things of that nature. So that's pretty nice that, you know, they give you that right out of the box. I think more companies should do that, honestly. It should just come as a standard thing. But anyways, let's get this box opened and start emptying it out. Now, like I said, I already took the batteries out, so let me grab the batteries real quick. Trying to charge it, but you know. So they give you one 18-volt battery, two 18-volt batteries, and a charger with some, you know, indicator lights on it and such. Now these batteries are interesting because they have a little indicator on the front. And this has, I think, just one bar right now, or maybe it's 3, I'm not sure. I don't know if the lights, I think it's 3 bars. So having 2 batteries is nice because, you know, you can charge one while the other one's in use. Excuse me. They give you this wool wash mitt if you want to use it. This isn't the softest I've ever felt, but you know, maybe I could use this on wheels or something. Pretty nice. See how my hand fits in it. Pretty cool. And they give you some 5-inch polishing pads. Same as the other ones, you know, with the wool pad in there. Just something additional, you know. Like I said, it gives you everything out of the box. So we got a couple of microfiber towels. These things seem pretty cheap. Very short nap. Sure I could find a use for them though. Set that out of the way. Got the D handle if you want to use a D handle with your polisher. Got the side handle if you like using the side handle. And a 6-inch backing plate. This is a vented backing plate, which is, I mean, pretty good quality. I like backing plates like this. That way the pad doesn't get too hot. Instruction booklet. I'll take the polisher out last. A pad cleaning brush, which that's very neat. I actually don't own one of these, so that's pretty cool that I got one now. And got some an Allen wrench and the screws that go in the side of the polisher to screw in the D handle. Put that on the ground real quick. And the polisher itself. Okay, so here it is. This is honestly a pretty nice design. This, you know, it's got this nice rubberized backing grip on the duck bill. It's not as long as I would like for someone with larger hands like mine, but you know, not bad. It's got this. The stickers aren't on there the greatest, but you know, it was a cheap polisher. It's got this nice piece right here, so you can set it down like that, so it doesn't tip over. The trigger clicks, which is interesting. Locks in place. And then it's got the speed control dial right here. Let's slap a battery on. See how this bad boy sounds. Now what's cool is the battery does mount sideways, similar to flex polishers. I like that because the battery is not really in the way. It is a little still top heavy with the battery. The battery kind of balances it out, but you know. Then just turn it on. And this is not as loud as corded polishers, so you know, that's pretty nice. I think this is going to be a good polisher for enhancements and spot corrections. You know, it's not going to be an all-out, you're going a full 1-step or 2-step correction, but it's still pretty nice. I know Philip Miranda on Miranda Detailing, he has been using the crap out of this thing for his business, and he details cars, a lot more cars than I do. I took his word on it and went ahead and grabbed it. So it seems pretty promising. You can head on over to his channel and ask him about it. He's a great guy. He'll go ahead and answer your questions. But, I mean, you get a lot in here with this. So let me get it all organized and give you the final thoughts on it. Alright guys, so there's all the important bits out of the box. You know, and again, there's the carrying case, the wash mitt, the couple of microfibers, and the apron. But this, I mean, this is the core, you know, what you're getting. Now this has just about everything you need to do any type of paint correction or polishing. You got your main machine here. You've got a 6-inch backing plate and a 5-inch backing plate. You've got 6-inch and 5-inch pads for each grade of, you know, each stage of polishing. So cutting, polishing, finishing. There's even the wool pads in there. You got a pad cleaning brush to clean the polish and compound out of your pads. 2 batteries, the charger, D handle, side handle if you like using those. I tend not to unless I'm using a rotary, but it's still there. You know, and it's nice because it's cordless. You can take it anywhere with you. You don't have to go somewhere where there's power. This is great because a lot of times I'll have cars parked outside and I'll notice something, and you know, maybe I just need to do one panel or something. I can just go up to it with this now and just hit that real quick. Or maybe I'm just doing an enhancement with 3D speed. I can run around the entire car with this probably on a single charge. I think it's a great value, guys. And I mean, you know, I know I'm not showcasing it, but I mean, it's a polisher. It's a cordless polisher. It's going to do what cordless polishers do. If you're watching this at a later date, comment below and ask me how it's holding up. I'll be happy to answer your questions. I love interacting with everybody. But this thing is pretty nice to add to my collections. I don't actually have a 15 millimeter orbit. This one's a 15 millimeter orbit. I've got a 21 millimeter. I've got an 8 millimeter. I've got a rotary, and I've got a 12 millimeter 3-inch, and then I've got the mini one. I've got the mini rotary extension. Now I've got a cordless. So I think I've got all my bases covered on polishers. And I mean, I have another cordless one, obviously, but it's a little miniature one. This is a full-size one. So let me know what you guys think. Again, you know, this is no flex polisher, so you know, don't expect anything from a flex. But I think this is a pretty good value. I'm pretty happy with the purchase, and you know, it's right under $200. It's nothing that I'm gonna freak out about, and I could make my money back off of just one enhancement. After I do one enhancement with this, I'll have made my money back plus profit. So if you're starting out with detailing too, and you're just doing enhancements, you're not doing full paint corrections, this is a great product to get. So anyways, guys, comment down below, tell me what you think, leave the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.